everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna make papaya salad. Eat with everything I'm gonna show you how to make. This is healthy papaya salad. This is green papaya, young one, and this is eggplant, lao eggplant, and lao long green bean, and my own organic tomato cherry, and my own organic hot pepper and garlic. And this lime juice, guys. Lime juice. Okay, I'm gonna go start it. First, this gonna going down all of this. Yes, hold on. Okay, this better. Alright, first, okay, the garlic and hot pepper already in, and this lao eggplant. This very healthy and a lot of vitamin C, vitamin E. Okay, and long green bean, lao long green bean, and my own organic cherry tomato. I plant on my own, so everything going down. Reason why I make a lot, like tomorrow we have get together. And lime juice. There's 2 lime juice right here going down all the way. Yeah, we're gonna get together, so I just go ahead and prepare to make. And this, sugar, palm sugar, guys. Use palm sugar is better taste because they got better taste. This palm sugar right here. Alright, palm sugar already in. And now I'm gonna put in fish sauce. Just take a guess, okay. If not enough, I always gonna add on. This is lao padang. Yeah, you start mix them. This is coconut sugar. It tastes so good. Alright, smells so good. Oh my god, Mimi. Hungry? I wanna eat with some quail, deep fried quail. I just finished today. Gonna eat this good vitamin C food. This is spicy papaya salad. Okay. Let me taste. Perfect. It's so good. I need just a little bit more fish sauce. Okay, that's it. Done. Just like that. There you have it, papaya salad, guys. Already done. So you can eat with pure fish, or seafood, anything, beef, steak, anything you can eat with, or tuna fish. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got tuna fish. My husband, he buy tuna fish. Let me cut. Wow. This box right here, about $45. Okay, let's open it up, see how much I got in here. I want to eat only tuna and salmon fish, or only fish, guys. I don't want to eat tuna. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, let me open up. Okay, open up. Wow. Oh, yummy. Oh my god, that's a lot. A lot. Whoa, okay, let me see. Alright, so how you chop tuna fish, okay? This is filet tuna fish steak. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. Egg bag for $45. That's cheap. Oh my god, I cannot wait to eat this tuna fish, guys. Wow, come and join me. Okay, I'm gonna make papaya salad with tuna. Today I'm gonna eat this. Alright guys, let me put this in the freezer. I want to share with you guys. Very cheap. Oh my god, I thought it's $40. It's only $31. $31.26. Order tuna $1, about egg steak fillet. That's very cheap, guys. If you really want tuna fish like this, you can go to Restaurant Depot. Okay, this is Restaurant Depot. If you are business, you have a business license, you can go buy everything over there. But if you don't have business, you cannot go. I have the business license because I have business, so it's very cheap, guys. Okay, I just wanna share with you this Restaurant Depot right here. Oh my God, you can buy anything. $31.26 for all of that. That's very cheap. Alright guys, I'm gonna eat with her price. Tuna fish ready to eat. Come on guys. Okay, I have fresh tuna, papaya salad, wasabi. So who wants spicy? Dipping that and mint and some little vegetable. Come on, let's go eat. Okay.